I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the GT4 above 50% and pair it with your phone using Huawei Health. Once paired, make sure Petal Maps is installed and updated on the phone. This app provides the offline tiles for the watch. While connected, enable location and background app permissions so files can transfer. Now, open Petal Maps and tap the menu to reach offline maps. This first step ensures your devices can exchange data, and the map cache can be. Once done with pairing, you download the actual map files to the phone. In Petal Maps, choose Offline Maps, pick the region you need, and select the detail level. Detailed uses more space but improves navigation. Make sure to save to internal storage and watch the progress. Downloads may pause on weak Wi-Fi. After the files finish, Petal Maps builds a local cache. This is necessary because the GT4 pulls its offline map package from the phone, not directly from the internet. Now transfer and verify. Open Huawei Health, find the GT4 device settings and trigger sync for maps or navigation data so Petal Maps pushes the offline package to the watch. On the GT4, open Maps and pan around. Tiles should appear without Wi-Fi. Test a short route to confirm routing works. If tiles don't show, make sure phone permissions are intact. Then force a sync, restart both devices, and retry. This troubleshooting tip fixes most transfer or permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.